ka ba dyan? So, okay in Dubai! So, welcome to our vlog today. So, binablog natin ang isa sa mga famous buffet na affordable dito sa Ticom, Dubai. So, located siya sa loob ng isang hotel. Yun yung Grand Bellevue Hotel Apartments dito sa Al Barsha, Ticom. And then, yung restaurant is matatagpuan sa loob mismo ng hotel. So, yun yung View Cafe. So, meron silang buffet, breakfast, lunch, and then dinner. So, iba-iba ang kanilang mga menu everyday. And then, meron silang open kitchen na spaghetti, pastas, different kind of pastas during lunch. And then, for dinner, meron naman silang open kitchen for shawarma and iba pang Arabic cuisines. Very affordable lang kanilang rate. And then, during the breakfast naman, kung stay-in kayo sa kanilang hotel apartment, so lesser ang inyong mababayaran. And then, let's have some gato rocher. So, we will try. So, kukuha tayo. So, ayan. And then, try natin ng ibang dessert. So, meron sila white cake forest. Ayan. We will try. Hello! Let's have some desserts. So, ito yung parang rocher and then white forest cake. So, ayan. So, try natin. Very tasty. Ito. In between, meron siyang chocolate chips, and then yung sponge cake, and then yung eto, cream. Para siyang mousse cake na meron chocolate chips. So another, let's try the white forest cake. Wow, in fairness, masarap siya. Yeah. Let's try another one. 1, 2, 3 layers. So, meron siyang 3 layers. And then, in between yan yung kanyang icing or cream. Sarap. So, hello! Meron meron tayong another set of desserts. Ito pala siyang strawberry. And then, ito pala siyang mousse. Ayan. Ito, di ba? Ang cute. Ang cute na kanilang presentation. So, we will try first etong strawberry na may 2 layers na sponge cake and then merong icing. Meron siyang almond on top. In fairness, hindi dry yung kanyang sponge cake. Sobrang sarap. Next, we will try ito isa. I think it's a mousse. Let's try natin. Ayan. Wow. Kasi gumagalaw siya. Ayan. Wow. Alam nyo, sa ilalim, ang base niya is cake. And then, merong second base na is chocolate. And then, nilalagyan nila ng parang spread. Ganache. And then, yung top niya, ayan na yung may chocolate. Ayan. Wow. Sobrang sarap. So ngayon, meron tayong, I think this is mousse. Parang chocolate, strawberry, plain, and then maybe lemon. So we will try. Ayan. Yan. So we will try first. Yes. Mousse nga. Alam nyo, hindi masyado siya matamis. Wala siyang cream. Inuha ko ang lasa niya. Mitik man. Mousse cake niya. Yung cream. And then, nilagyan niya lang yata ng color at saka konting flavor. So, yun. Sobrang meron tayong iti-taste test na carrot cake and etong maliit na tong marquee yata nakalagay doon. So, iti-try natin itong dalawang dessert. Ang cute na kanilang carrot cake, no? Ayan, no? Ang kanilang dahon. And then, meron siyang crumbled na mga carrots. And then, itong isa. So, we will try. I think, similar siya sa Arabic na yung chocolate na ginagawa nila. Let's try. Yes, it is. Same nga. White chocolate lang siya. Mm. Mm. Wow. I love it. Mm. And then ito, let's try the carrot cake. Mm. Wow. Ang sarap. Mm. Perfect ang kanilang carrot cake. Mm. Nakikita niyo yung layer? Yan yung cream cheese. Mm. Super sarap. I will give 10 out of 10. Oops, sorry. Nandito kayo sa Dubai at naghahanap kayo ng affordable buffet, so try to visit View Cafe at Al Barsha Tikong, and talagang sulit na sulit ang iyong babayaran, plus the tasty and delicious food na meron sila. From the appetizer, juices, cakes and desserts, and soup, and the main course. So, lahat yon included na sa kanilang package. So, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Come and visit the View Cafe!